Hello, my name is Ron. I'm a product manager at Starcom Systems, and in this short video clip I'm going to present to you our Helios Simulation Kit and its content. So let's unbox it. Okay, so first on top we can find our 3 Helios devices, 2 Helios Advance and 1 Helios TT. The main differences between them are the inputs and outputs they could provide. To see the full list of specs or details about these products, please visit our site at www.starcomsystems.com for more information. The next device here is our simulator. This simulator provides a testing kit, basically to test the units for configuration and mimic the vehicle operation. For example, to mimic a ignition key on and off, or open door, etc. Underneath here you have all the rest of cables and accessories. The first two here that you can see is the programming cables that allow you to hook the devices to your computer for configuration. You can differentiate between the two. As you can see here, the TT has a label and the Advance also have a label, so it's really easy to differentiate between them. Next we have here the USB to mini USB cable that connects to the simulator right here, and give you the option to program the units through the computer for the Helios Advanced units. Next we have here the harness from the simulator to the unit for the Helios Advanced units. As you can see, you have two connectors here of 24 pins, which would fit one side to the simulator right here and the other side to the devices themselves. Next we have here the simulator harness for the TT. As you can see, one side you have 24 pin that will hook up to the simulator, the 10 pin connector that will hook up to the Helios TT, and you have another cable here, a 4 pin Molex, that will hook up to the programming cable of the TT, which then will be connected to the PC for programming. The rest of the harnesses here are the harnesses that you're connecting the units to the vehicle. So you have two 24 pin harnesses that will hook up with the Helios Advance, and one Helios TT harness that fits with the rubber casing for the TT for waterproofing. It's a waterproof case that basically fits with our harness here for the TT. These last two accessories are driver identification items. The first one is the Dallas key that could use for driver identification, and the second is a keypad with 5 digits that could have a 4-digit code for unlocking the vehicle, or disarming or arming the vehicle. The last item here in the box is the power adapter for the simulator to power up the devices for configuration. And it's a European adapter it could hook up. And that's it. That's the unboxing of the simulation kit for the Helios. Thank you for watching.